Hello, this is part 2 of the Creating Group Assignments in Canvas video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create VoiceThread assignments. The first thing that you want to do is select Assignments from the column on the left-hand side. Then select Add Assignment, so you can select plus assignment here, or you can just select the plus sign here to add an assignment and select More Options. Choose a name. I'm going to choose group assignment. And description, maybe I will say choose your own topic. I'm going to assign a point value, 20 points, assignment group assignments, display grade as points. Submission type, I'm going to say, or select external tool, select find. And then I'm going to select VoiceThread. I will select Assignment Builder, create a VoiceThread, name, group assignment, description, choose your own topic. I will select Create Assignment, but before I select Create Assignment, the Allow Students to Resubmit Assignment box is checked because I do want students to have the ability to resubmit the assignment just in case they look at the assignment and they realize that maybe somebody's voice isn't there or a PowerPoint slide is not there, and they will have the ability to upload the assignment again. I will select Create Assignment, save and continue, and then you can see the URL for the assignment is in that box. I will click Select, and then Allowed Attempts Unlimited. You can even select Load this tool in a new tab, and it will load in a separate tab, a separate page that is not on Canvas. Assign to everyone. Since this is a future course, I'm going to make the due date in the fall. Maybe I will make it October 29th at 11:59 p.m. and available from October 11th, 8 a.m. to October 29th, 11:59 p.m. Then I will select Save. And you can see this is the group assignment. The next thing I want to do is go to the group assignment page. So I'm going to select Modules. You can see I have a Start Here course information module and then a group assignment module with all of the group assignment information. I will select the group assignment tab for that page, and I explained all of this in part 1 of the video. I will scroll down. Actually, first I have to make this editable, and then I will scroll down to step 4. Click here to create VoiceThread PowerPoint presentation. I will highlight that and add a new link. I will select Links, Course Links, Assignments, and you can see the group assignment is here. Select Group Assignment, and then save that information. Now I will go back to modules. And what I want to do is include a VoiceThread homepage so students can select the link and view all of their classmates' voice threads. To do that, I will go to Start Here Course Information. I will select the plus sign here, and I will select External Tool, VoiceThread. You can see you have several options: Course View, Home, Individual, VoiceThread, and Assignment Builder. I'm going to select Course View. Activity name, I'm going to say all of the VoiceThread recordings, VoiceThread recordings in the course. Save that, save and continue, and add item. And the next thing that I want to do is, you can see that's here. The next thing I want to do is select group assignment. And what you want to do is, actually let me go back to that. This link, all of the VoiceThread recordings in the course, you want to select that link, and you want to highlight the link for that page or that assignment. And then you want to go to group assignment, select group assignment, and you want to edit this page. And I think it's step 5. Yes, step 5. Click here to view all of the VoiceThread PowerPoint presentations. Highlight that sentence. Select external links. So now what you want to do is paste the link that you obtained from that view all of the VoiceThreads assignment link or homepage link. So once you obtain that link, you want to paste it here. And then once you do that, the students will just have to click this link in order to be directed to all of the VoiceThread presentations in the course. So they can view their classmates' presentations and comment. And I want to point out that I have the students comment directly on the VoiceThread, and then they also turn in an evaluation document, which is a table where they explain what they understood about the presentation, what they learned about the presentation, and different things about that presentation that they evaluated. So not only do they have to comment directly within the VoiceThread, they have to submit their own evaluation form, and that is also part of the assignment. I think that is it. I will link all of the PDF documents on my blog so you can download all of those documents to use in your course.